Meaning of Evelyn Waugh.
Evelyn Waugh.
Evelyn Waugh.
Evelyn Waugh.
Evelyn Waugh. Evelyn Waugh was an English writer known for his satirical and comedic novels, many of which are set in the upper classes of British society. His most famous works include Brideshead Revisited and Decline and Fall. Waugh's writing often pokes fun at the ridiculousness and hypocrisy of the privileged elite, and he is considered one of the leading literary figures of the 20th century. Despite some controversial views and actions during his lifetime, Waugh's work continues to be widely read and admired today.